after these points I redeem that product which is being offered to me. So make it clear that I don't buy those goods from my own pocket. With the physical money I don't buy anything. But against the redemptions of these points, that reward points, I redeem that product whichever I would like to get from that bank. So there is a great difference between redemption and purchasing. Purchasing is done with the help of your pocket money, with the help of money which is present in your pocket, physical money. But in case of the redemption, you don't give any person any money from your pocket, but you use your reward points and you redeem your product, the product of your choice. Similarly, in the case of Goldmine International, after getting 4 cash commission, the 5th one is my gold voucher or gold reward of worth $30. The 6th, 7th, 8th, 9th are again the cash commissions, and the 10th one is the gold voucher, then 15th is the gold voucher, 20th is the gold voucher, 25th and so on. So just pretend, just assume that if a person has GBs, approximately 10 GBs, so can you multiply? One gold voucher is of worth $30, and if you have 10 gold vouchers, then that means the $30 into $10 become $300. So this, whenever you have $300 in your GB's account, when you come up to here, up to $300, then you can redeem any product by logging on to this office. You can watch many products there and you can get any product which ranges from $300 to $3,000. For example, in this case, Mr. Yu has 10 vouchers, each of $30 worth, so that becomes $300 in the account of GB's gold vouchers account of Mr. Yu. So Mr. Yu, by getting $300, can redeem any product which is being offered by the company. As I told you early in the starting of my lecture, I told you that you don't have to buy any product from your own pocket. Neither you have to sell any product, because you and I are not a salesman. Now, basically, these products which are available can be redeemed with the help of these gold vouchers. So you have used your 10 vouchers worth of $300, you have redeemed your product worth of $300. And so on, you can redeem more products. For example, if you don't stop here, if you continue on and you have now 20 GBs in your account, that is $600, obviously you can enjoy a much heavier gold product ranging from 18 karat to 24 karat. You can enjoy and you can redeem any product of your own choice. And these products can be seen on this website. That means a very good thing for me as well as you, that we enjoy the cash commission and save some amount for the product future. Then we get 4 cash commission, then we save another gold voucher for future. And we have, whenever we have a sufficient amount in our gold vouchers which can be redeemed from here, then we can redeem any product. One thing more, as I told you earlier in my starting of my lecture, I told you that if a person doesn't want to pay $10, obviously he will not be having an 18 karat gold plated watch. He won't be having this. So what about this? Many of the people say, oh, this having gone, or I think so it is a joining fee, the company has taken it. Nothing like that. So I told you earlier that if you wish to pay only $60 and if you don't want to pay $10, okay, it's okay then you will not be having any watch. But what about this $60? Now clear it. This $60 can now be used for the redemption of this gold product. For example, when you had 10 GBs, that means you had $300 don't call it $300, add this $300 with this $60. Now this $300 by adding this $60 become $360. Now you can redeem a product worth of $360, not of $300. That means if you wish to understand this, let me clear it. It is not a joining fees. It is not a joining fees. Basically, what is it? Sir, clear it that the $60 that you paid to the company basically is an advance payment. Is an advance payment that you have given to the company and you have promised the company that you will use this amount as an advance payment of the product that has to be redeemed in future with the help of these GBs. So at the time of logging in, at the time of joining, the $60 that you paid is not the joining fees. Basically, it is a promise that you will use this $60 in the redemption of any gold products with the help of your GBs. So this is not $300, clear it? If you haven't got any watch, then these $300 will be added to $60 and this will become $360 and you will be enjoying the good product of $360. So this is an advance payment of the future product that has been booked now with the help of GBs. I hope the working of the gold tree is clear to you, but a very important question that most of the people doesn't ask is, for example, and I'm asking this question to the company on behalf of all of you, on behalf of all of the members, I'm asking the company, so for example, I worked very hard and gained these 4,096 people within my tree in 1 year, in 2 years, in 3 years, whatever so. So the question here from my side, from my colleagues is that what if I gain these 4,096 people upon my hard work and the company starts giving me $450 as promised, but meanwhile some of the members from my gold tree stops working. For example, this person got tired and he doesn't want to do the work. For example, this person is ill. For example, this person is studying and he wants to continue his work after 3 or 4 months. For example, this person has died. For example, this person has an accident, unfortunately. So, as you have 4,096 people, there are 4,096 problems with them. So my question here with the company Goldmine International is that if people stop working in my gold tree, then do you promise to give us $450 per day forever? Hope my question is clear to you. And this question is on behalf of you and us to Goldmine International. That what if the people stop working? These people have many problems. 4,096 people have 4,096 problems. Each of them are having some problems and stop working. For the time being, for 6 months, for 7 months, then my question to the company is, will you be giving us $450 per day forever? Company says, you can test us. So now it is the time to test the company whether this promise will be fulfilled forever or not. Because my question here is, what if the people stop working? I'm working, my 2 partners are working, but the people ahead us stopped working due to certain reasons. So the company says you can test the company. So how should I test the company? So on behalf of mathematics, I would like to compute some mathematical calculation here.